Dear students, in your textbook page number 37, one activity is given. How the number of turns of the coiled conductor and the intensity of the current affect the magnetic field. So here we will see how the number of turns of the conductor and intensity of the current is intensity of the current affect the magnetic field. For that, keep a current carrying circular conductor vertically in the north-south direction. So here we have to keep a conductor in north-south direction. The magnetic field produced as a result will be in the east-west direction. So the magnetic field will be in the east-west direction. So here we have to keep the conductor in the north-south direction so that the magnetic field will be in the east-west direction. Draw a perpendicular bisector to the line joining the points A and B. After that we have to draw a perpendicular bisector to the line AB. The line passes through the center of the coil. So that this line passes through the center of the coil, move the compass along this line in both directions away from the center. When the magnetic effect of the coil vanishes, the magnetic needle will come to rest in the north-south direction. So here we have to keep the magnetic needle and move this needle until this needle become rest. Until this needle comes to rest, you have to move this needle. So at a particular point, whenever this magnetic field vanishes, this magnetic needle will come to rest. So you have to note that point, at which point this magnetic needle comes to rest. Measure the distance between these points on either side of the coil. So you have to measure the distance on both sides. Perform this experiment by increasing the number of turns of the coil and see how far the magnetic needle remains in the east-west direction. So you have to perform the same experiment by increasing the number of turns. So on increasing the number of turns, what you can see, the distance also increases. So here you can see that now the distance between the 2 points increases. It is not due to the increase in the strength of the magnetic field. So why the distance increased? It's because increase in the strength of the magnetic field. How the strength of the magnetic field increased? By increasing the number of turns. So this is not due to the increase in the strength of magnetic field. So repeat the experiment by changing the current using the rheostat. So you have to repeat the same experiment by increasing the current. So on increasing the current also you will get a greater distance. So the strength of the magnetic field increases when the number of turns of the coil or current is increased. So how can we increase the strength of a conductor? By increasing the number of turns of the coil as well as increasing the current. So underline these two lines in your textbook. After that you can see what is solenoid. Underline these important points. A solenoid is an insulated wire wound in the shape of a helix. Such coiled conductors are used to make the use of magnetic effect of electricity. So let us examine how we can recognize the direction of the magnetic field and the polarity of the current carrying solenoid. Then here see, it will act as a magnet when the current from a cell is passed through it after inserting soft iron core. What is the device known as? So if you place a iron nail inside this core of this solenoid, the device will become electromagnet. The end of the solenoid at which current flows in the clockwise direction will be the south pole. So whenever the current flows in clockwise direction, that end of the solenoid will act as the south pole, and whenever the current flows in anti-clockwise direction, that end of the solenoid will act as the north pole. So this is important, underline these points. In the next page you can see, based on the above activities, tabulate the factors affecting the strength of the magnetic field of a solenoid carrying current. So what are the factors which are affecting the strength of magnetic field? The first one, intensity of the electric current, increase the number of turns, use soft iron as a core, increase the area of cross section of the solenoid. So these are the 4 points which are affecting the strength of the magnetic field. After that you can see the two pictures. This is a bar magnet and this is a solenoid. You can see here the field lines in the case of bar magnet and in the case of solenoid both are same. Both are identical. Analyze and compare the ability of a solenoid and a bar magnet to bring the changes in permanency of the magnetism, polarity and strength of the magnetism. So based on this you have to compare the bar magnet and solenoid. So in the case of bar magnet, magnetism is permanent. Here the magnetism is temporary. Whenever if we remove the supply of current, what happens? It will lose its magnetism. And compared to this bar magnet, the magnetic field strength is strong in the case of solenoid and it is weak in the case of bar magnet, and strength cannot be changed. Here we cannot change the strength, but here we can change the strength by increasing the number of turns or by increasing the electric current or increasing the area of cross section. We can increase the strength of the magnetic field.